Feel like your day runs you instead of the other way around? Emails, notifications, endless to-dos. It's exhausting. What if artificial intelligence could actually take control, organize your tasks, and give you back hours every week? I'm going to show you 5 free tools that do exactly that. No gimmicks, just real ways to make your life easier. First up, Reclaim.ai. This is a calendar tool on steroids. It hooks up to Google Calendar and figures out the best way to fit in your work, your personal tasks, and even your downtime. Here's the thing. I started using Reclaim when my weeks felt impossible. I had meetings, deadlines, and I still wanted to fit in writing time and exercise. Instead of me moving blocks around manually, Reclaim just figured it out. You can tell it to block deep work hours or focus on creative tasks, and it adjusts around your existing commitments. Even better, if something unexpected comes up, it reschedules automatically. No stress, no wasted time. If you're juggling multiple priorities, this is a lifesaver. Try adding 1 recurring task today and see how your week opens up. It's satisfying to watch the AI handle the scheduling for you. Next is Notion.ai. Most people use Notion for notes, but the AI takes it further. It summarizes your notes, pulls out tasks, and can even create a plan for your day or week. I like to dump my ongoing projects into it and ask, what should I work on today? In seconds, it gives me a clear, structured list. It's like a teammate who remembers everything and helps you figure out what to tackle first. One week, I was juggling writing, editing, and meetings. Typing "plan my week based on these projects" gave me a day-by-day plan instantly. No overwhelm, just clarity. And you can even merge ideas or brainstorm right inside it, which turns notes into actionable steps. Taskade is my go-to for visual planning. It's not just a to-do list. It turns ideas into clear, actionable tasks visually. When I have a big project, I map it out like a flowchart. Dependencies, deadlines, priorities, all in one view. It's perfect if you like seeing your progress instead of guessing. I pair it with Notion. Notion handles strategy. Taskade breaks it into a visual plan for daily execution. Even juggling multiple projects, it keeps things on track. Seeing tasks laid out visually makes it way easier to start working instead of overthinking. Mem is basically a second brain. Everything you type, note, or screenshot, it remembers and automatically connects related ideas. I had an idea for a project at 2 a.m. and forgot it. A few days later, I typed a keyword into Mem. There it was, linked to other notes from weeks ago. Suddenly, keeping track of ideas didn't feel like a chore. Over time, Mem starts noticing patterns. It can suggest connections you might have missed or remind you of old ideas. If you juggle multiple projects or just want to remember everything, this tool is a game changer. Finally, Tweak.so. This one's all about simplicity. You type in a task like work on project X, and it automatically breaks it into small daily chunks. Seeing your task broken down makes it easier to start. No overthinking, no fancy dashboards, just a simple plan to follow. I use Tweak on scattered days. It's calm, focused, and motivating. Here's the big picture. Reclaim gets your schedule under control. Notion organizes your projects and notes. Taskade helps you see everything visually. Mem remembers and connects your ideas. And Tweak keeps daily execution simple. All free. All powered by artificial intelligence. Start with one today. Try it. Add another in a few days. Before long, your productivity won't feel chaotic. It'll actually work for you. Notice how much time you get back once these tools are in place. That's the real power of letting technology work for you instead of against you. And hey, if you found this helpful, stick around. That's what D-Man Helps is all about. Simple, practical ways to make your life easier using tech that actually works for you. So if you're ready to level up, hit subscribe, drop a like, and tell me in the comments. Which of these tools are you going to try first? Your answer might even inspire the next video.